Hi, welcome to Tbcs. I'm Tanvir. Today I'm here for explaining excess demand. After declaring a product price, a pieces of product as $60, right? By the producer, 6 million products are ready to be supplied. At the same time, these are being supplied, 6 millions are being supplied, and 6 millions product are being expected, demanded by the people. So 60 is the suitable price where bat and ball just match. And this price is called equilibrium price. I mean, where supply and people expectation are same. But when the price, unit price is $40, that time, according to the unitary method or proportional system, for $40, 44 millions are being supplied. But getting this news of less price, this is the tendency of the people. More numbers of products are being expected. When people listen the story of less price, this is the people attitudes, tendency of the people. Oh, $4 only. Okay, fine. More pieces should be expected. So instead of 4 millions, now 9 millions are being demanded. But the supply is only 4 millions. So you are watching excess 5 millions. Excess 5 millions are being expected, and these attitudes of irrational attitudes, illogical attitudes, or excessive mentality, voracious mentality of the people is known as excess demand. I mean, at 60 we have no objection. 60 bat ball properly match, and that is equilibrium price. But when this is below the equilibrium price, according to the unitary method, 60 for 6 million, 40 for 4 millions, supply is okay. But this is the people tendency. Oh, less price, so buy more. And because of this tendency, we are watching where supply is 4 millions, but 9 millions are being expected. And this voracious mentality is known as excess demand. You already are watching that there is 4 to 9. So these 5 millions excess unit are being demanded by people, and this is called excess demand. Okay, thank you very much.